KTM 690, 2015. Okay, it had a knocking noise that everybody on the internet wants to try and tell you it's normal. If you look down in this hole, right there, that nut is the primary drive nut. Okay, if you've got a knocking noise or your bottom end sounds loud on a 690, reach in there, try and turn that nut. If it turns to the left, or it turns at all, it's loose. Immediately stop riding your bike, pull that clutch cover off, set the torque on that. I would actually pull it off, put Loctite on it, and set the torque. But you do have to be careful because depending on how long it's been making that noise, the keyway could be broken out of the crank. Watch my other videos.